In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're signing a contract, filling out a form, or simply personalizing a document, being able to add your signature directly to a PDF can be a huge time saver and add a layer of professionalism. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Reader and navigate to your home page. From here, you have the option to open a previous file if you have one that's ready to be signed, or perhaps you might choose to create a new one. If you're going back to a previous file, you'll want to click on the Recent tab. This will display all the documents you've recently opened, making it quick and easy to find the one you need. Once you've located your document, go ahead and open it. Now that your document is open, you're ready to add your signature. To do this, navigate to the e-sign feature. This is your go-to tool for anything related to digital signatures in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you're in the e-sign area, you'll want to click on Add Signature. This is where the fun begins. You'll then see an option to draw your signature. This is a great opportunity to personalize your signature by drawing it with your mouse, or if you have a touch screen, with your finger or a stylus. Take your time here to make it look just right. You can always redo it if it doesn't turn out the way you want on the first try. It's important that your digital signature represents you well, so don't rush this step. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, click Save. This will finalize your signature and allow you to place it anywhere in the document. A little pro tip here. Think carefully about where you're placing your signature. If you're signing a contract, for instance, it's usually best to place it near your name or at the designated signature line, if there is one. If it's more of an artistic touch or an informal document, feel free to place it wherever you think it looks best. And there you have it. Your signature is now part of your PDF. Feel free to review the document to make sure everything looks exactly as you want it. This method of adding a signature is not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly, as it eliminates the need to print, sign, and scan documents. I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering the art of digital signatures in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making your digital life easier.